Odyyc is a CX strategy agency that combines data-driven segmentation with creative storytelling. We build customer experiences that drive visibility and conversion. The Lit app required a comprehensive brand identity and a robust marketing strategy encompassing both inbound and paid channels. We crafted the entry story for Lit, an emerging buy now, pay later platform, as it ventured into the dynamic Vietnamese market. Targeting Gen Z and millennials, the challenge was clear: to launch a payment app perceived as both trendy and responsible, in a market naturally cautious of debt and highly driven by deals. Working with personas, we helped Lit focus on a think, feel, and do approach to highlight consumer reactions to using the app. Through strategic segmentation, we identified 4 distinct key groups. For each group, we then recommended a tailored content set, designed for creation and distribution, based on their current stage in the journey and specific intent. Odyyc's digital content strategy for paid and organic channels was finalized and put into a marketing action plan to coincide with the product launch. Odyyc meticulously transformed insights into concrete, execution-ready assets. This enabled Lit to effectively balance immediate performance marketing goals with crucial long-term brand building in the Vietnamese market. Visit us at Odyyc.com and schedule a Zoom with our team. And let's bring your customer journey to life. Thank you for coming.